Using a project manager that's experienced in a LIMS implementation or any other significant laboratory informatics system implementation significantly increases the chance of project success because of that experience and having been through these types of situations in the past. One of the things that I like to try to bring into a project for a LIMS implementation as a project manager is an independent point of view. I'm not the vendor, I'm not the lab organization. I've seen how other labs have done things. I've seen a lot of mistakes made in the past, and I want to make sure that this new organization is not running into those kinds of problems. So I want to look at the cost, the time, the estimates, the phasing, and the organizational dynamics, because that can also be really important. To be successful, one of the things you need to do is not only integrate and synthesize all these laboratory operations, but you need the involvement of the stakeholders, the management, and the lab staff. And certainly having been through it a number of times, you start learning what the pitfalls are. So an experienced project manager who's been through it is going to be applying their expertise in those areas that are unique to laboratory operations as opposed to other types of system implementations. I think what doesn't work in trying to implement a LIMS is assuming that it's like any other IT system. It's very system focused, only on the technologies, and let's just install it and turn it on and people are ready to use it. There's a lot more to it than that in terms of really looking at how the lab is operating, what's the workflow, what are the workflows that the lab needs and is going to be using, what are the goals that you really want from this, and the lab environment is very unique and different than an awful lot of other types of business environments. I think the chances for success in a LIMS implementation are much higher when you have an experienced LIMS project manager, because system projects in general are risky. Statistics show that, but there are a lot of unique aspects to a LIMS implementation that are not the same as many other types of systems. And having been through it and done that really aids in the chances that you're going to have a truly excellent implementation.